Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in Computer, Chapter 5 Introduction to Internet. So, children will be able to know what is Internet, learn about the uses of Internet, recognize the objects required to connect to Internet, learn the important terms used in Internet. Okay, students, let's start. So, what do you do if you want to talk to your friend without meeting him? Perhaps you will use letters or phone or mobile phone. In this way, you will get connected with him and talk with him. Through letter, you will get his or her response very late, but through phone, you will get his or her response very quickly. So, he or she picks up the phone and you talk to him or her. So, student, in the same way, we can connect two or more computers with each other worldwide. We can do different tasks over computers connected in network. So, what is a network? A network is formed when two or more things are connected. Now, talking about internet, the internet is a network of the interlinked computer networking worldwide. This network is accessible to the general public. Internet is a huge network of different interlinked networks relating to the business, academics and many smaller domestic networks. Hence, it is known as network of networks. So, what is the internet? The internet is a worldwide network of computers that connect many computers with one another, irrespective of the distance between them. Okay, now talking about uses of internet. So, internet is very useful for everyone. As we know, some of its uses are discussed below. First one is internet helps to search information. You can search any information with the help of internet. Next, internet is used to purchase various items online anywhere and anytime. Next, third one is internet is the best medium to communicate instantly. Fourth, internet is used to play games online. Fifth, internet is used to download songs and movies. Next, internet is the cheapest mode of advertising. Next, internet is used to see the latest news. Next, internet is used for video calling. Last, internet is used for banking needs also. So, internet is very useful for us. Now the next topic, requirements for an internet connection. So to connect your computer to the internet, you need the following things. First one is a computer system. Second, a telephone or cable line or mobile network. Third one, a modem, which is also known as network card. Fourth one is software, which is also known as browser. And the last one, a company providing internet connection, which is known as ISP. So, we need computer system, wire, modem and telephone. Now the next topic, internet terms. So firstly we discuss about website. A website is a collection of related web pages that provide informations. It is like a book that contains many pages. Now web page. Web page is a page of website. Website is like a book and web page is like a page of that book. Now talking about World Wide Web means WWW. So World Wide Web is the largest collection of information in the form of websites on the internet. Okay students. Now next topic, web browser. So it is a software application for accessing information on the WWW means World Wide Web. We get informations from different sites. These websites open in a special software known as web browser. Some of the most commonly used web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. So these are the web browser. Okay student, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.